Here we are on Hammond Street, Pasadena. Nice tree-lined street. Birds chirping. Relatively quiet. And let's take a look at this nicely remodeled home with a nice large backyard. Nice vaulted ceilings as you enter. Projector set up there. Modern finishes, sliding door in this vaulted ceiling dining area. Let's take a look at the first bedroom here with a shared bathroom. Full shower and tub combo, which leads to the next bedroom. Hallway bathroom. It's a nice powder room for your guests. And the primary suite is in the back, nice and quiet. Good space with a nice view to the backyard. Walk-in closet. Full 3/4 bathroom with a nice standing shower. Just beyond the dining area is the kitchen. The laundry area is here. And the kitchen is nicely remodeled with subway tile up to the ceiling next to the family room in the back. And this leads out to the spacious backyard where we have a 2-car garage which is finished with drywall. A long driveway. Plenty of space for an RV and many cars back here. Nice patio against the house with shade from this beautiful tree. A nice place to sit. Garage is nicely finished. And wait for it. More space back here for another patio or barbecue pit under the shade, or tree house if you want to be like the neighbors. A lot of space here. Call if you have any questions or if you'd like a showing. My name is Marcus. My information is below.